Hi sir, we met again. For this homework, I have a tutorial on how to make a heels for a model kit. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zulkifli from 11A TGJ SIKK, Sekolah Indonesia Kota Kinabalu. And my homework is on how to make a heels for a model kit, which I created myself for an aesthetic purpose. So my objective or my goals or my purpose on why I do this customization is pretty much for an aesthetic. It is based on my idea when it randomly pop up on my head, and the original leg look like this. Pretty much very stable, very flat. The soles here are flat, so when we put it on the ground, pretty much the kit is very stable. But when I discovered that the front toes, this part can actually bend up, and then this part can actually bend down, it pretty much look like heels. And this can actually make the kit more taller than it is. If I'm not mistaken, the original height of this kit is pretty much like 26 or 25 centimeters. But when I create this heels, this is the completed one, the left leg, it can actually make the kit more taller by 1 centimeter, which is 20 centimeters in total. So that is the reason, pretty much the reason why I want to create this kit, the tutorial. For the first step, we need to shorten this part so we can precise which part should it be to cut. So it should be around this part, the third line. We need to cut all this down. So yeah, let's just speed up the process. So yeah, there you go. And all of this over is you don't need this. Second step is that we need to sand this down. We don't need this part, by the way, and we need to clean this. Yeah, this. We need to clean this one, and we need to sand it down so that we can see this part. Yeah, we don't need this part. Now for the third part,
we need to glue this together. We will glue it down on here, this part section, this rectangle. We need to glue it like this, and we also need to align this on the back. So if you see, there's a line here. See, there's a line, and on the leg there's also a line here, which I will align it together like this and glue it down. So let's go.